The trip to Dubrovnik didn't end well. The crash in Bosnia really took a toll on me. For a while I couldn't shake it off, but slowly I started thinking about getting back to riding a motorcycle. First bike I checked was green VFR 750. Technically it was great, fairings had some minor cracks, but at that moment it was out of my budget, so I had to let it go. Next I went to see this red 1800 near Zakopane. It had been completely repainted and the bike was smoking heavily. During the test ride, I feel that it lacked power. I rejected that one right away. Then I did something completely unexpected. First I bought a 750 in average condition for 580. Even though those fluorescent rims aren't really my style, I think I can still work with them. And within 6 months, I bought another one for exactly the same price. That's how I started a new adventure. So here we are. Just before the first snow, I have two bikes. This one is the second I bought, with a nearly complete set of fairings. The other one have awful fluorescent rims and missing fairings. Today I'm just running them for a bit. I didn't have proper bolts for the battery, so I temporarily secured it with zip ties. Overall, I want to check the valve condition in both motorcycles, and I will definitely be adjusting them. Okay, this Honda has warmed up a bit. Let's move on to the next one. You can hear that when it's cold, it doesn't run quite the way it should. I think adjusting the valves and cleaning the carburetors, then setting them up properly, of course, will solve the problem. You can hear something is rattling, and I think I know why. Most likely it's the copper gasket at the exhaust manifold, but I will know for sure once I replace it. My plans for these bikes, at least for now, are to bring one of them as close to original condition as possible. I will probably repaint it in a different color, but the plastics on these bikes crack really easily, so it's not going to be simple. On top of that, the ones I have already need repairs. As for the second bike, I'm still not completely sure. Maybe something in an adventure style, although it's a bit too heavy to ride off-road. So it might end up as some kind of naked instead. I have to say, as a beginning to this whole adventure with these bikes, well, there you go. That's exactly how I'm starting. Next time we'll take a closer look at the technical condition of the Honda that just took a spill. Thanks for watching, I hope you'll stick around for the next videos.